Hello everyone and welcome to episode 55 of Form Guru series by Make Forms. I am Prateek, founder of Make Forms, and today we'll take a look at how you can use logic fields to actually create this form wherein you take the details from your users like their name, email address, and their billing address and the shipping address. And now what you want to do is that if the billing address and the shipping address is the same, you want to give them a checkbox wherein they say, yes, my billing address is same. And what it will do is that it will just copy the billing address and paste it into the shipping address and also disable the shipping address at the same time. So we will check it out using both the form formats. First, we will see it in the normal form, and then we'll convert the same normal form into one at a time form and see how both of these formats look like. So let's go and let's create a standard form, start from scratch and say same address logic. Sorry. So I'll delete this for now. I'll add name, email address, phone number. I will add address 1, address 2, and between these I will add a single choice that says is the billing address similar to the shipping address. No, sorry, it will be is the shipping address similar to the uh, billing address. And here we will name this as billing address and we will change this as shipping address. Okay, so now here is what we will do is that we will just go ahead and just a second. We'll just go into the logics and we'll add a logic that says if is the billing address similar to the shipping address is selected as okay, sorry, we need to change the option values, so we'll change this to yes and no. And now I will add a logic that says if this value, if the person selects it as yes, then what you will do is that you will change the value of the shipping address, and here you will take that particular value, you will compare it with the another field, and that value will be taken from the billing address. What we'll also do is we will disable the field which is the shipping address field. So here we'll write same address logic. Okay, so we'll save this, and now let's quickly check it out in the design tab. And what I will do is I'll add Mumbai. I will select this as yes. So you can see as soon as I do that, this particular thing is disabled. Now, if you change this form type to let's first create this form, let's publish it and check it out in action. Inside Pratik, Mumbai, I'll select yes. It says as soon as I select no, this is disabled. But what I'm doing is I'm still saving that data. I'm not removing this value because people just might want to change a few things here and there, and keeping the address as same may help them. Now what we will also do is we'll just change this form format to one at a time, and we'll quickly republish this form so we can see this thing in live action. But before we do that, what we will also do is that we will add our details like enter your name, then we'll just write your email please at the rate, and we will do the name calling, and your phone please at the rate of, yeah. And then we'll say Pratik, is your shipping address similar to billing address? Now one thing that we can actually do is that we can just skip this particular field. So to do that, what we will also do is that we'll change the value and we will skip the field which is the shipping address. So what will happen is that when the user is going through one at a time form format, they just won't see the shipping address and they will just see the submit button. So let's publish this field and see it out ourselves. I will refresh this page. I'll enter the name. Okay, let's do Pratik. It says your email address, please, Pratik. Pratik at makestorage.io. 888 Mumbai. It says, Pratik, is your shipping address similar to the billing address? I say yes. If I say no, then it will take me to the shipping address. If I say yes, it will just copy the value, save it for me. So this way, guys, you can use the logic to actually copy the value from one field to another field and also disabling the second field. I hope this was very useful for you, everyone who has watched this video. Again, I would please ask you to like, share, subscribe, comment, and let me know in the comments below as to what kind of forms do you want me to create so I can help you with your form creation journey. So that's it, guys, for today. Signing off, Pratik here from Make Forms.